a magical waterfall that grants a wish to those who reach there.
Let's go make a wish! It can be dangerous. My wish is to get more stronger. We found it! Yay! Not so soon. My wish to get stronger. My wish to get faster.
This waterfall is my life!
Oh, go away!
Who's this?
I am the guardian of the waterfall!
Answer my 3 questions to get waterfall magic.
We are ready! If a cat has 4 legs, how many legs do 2 cats have? Hold it. Correct answer! Now, second question. Oh, if you mix red and yellow, which color do you get? I know this. Oh, it's orange. Now the third question. Which one can fly? Bird, dog, or fish? I know this. It's a bird, yay. Congratulations, you passed the test. The magic waterfall is all yours. Oh, magical waterfall, grant us our wishes.
Yes, my kids, you both are great.
Oh, Majesty, make me stronger! Oh, Majesty, make me faster!
Gigloo, you are already strong. You crossed all hurdles to reach here. You are strong.
Thank you, Majesty.
You, my dear Goldie, you are already fast.
Thank you, Majesty.
You crossed all hurdles fast and stronger. You both are a great pair.
Thank you, Majesty.
All the best, my child.
Oh, we make a great pair. Subscribe for more fun. We are coming. Wow, I love berries. I am hungry. Where all berries go? Is it bear, rabbit, or elephant? Do you eat all berries from the tree?
No, Gigloo, I ate some in the morning.
Do you eat all berries from the tree? No, dear. We ate some in the afternoon. Do you eat all berries from the tree? No, dear. I ate some at the night. Who ate the berries? Must be the one who ate last. You mean elephant? Let's check. Bear ate berries in breakfast. Rabbit ate berries in lunch. Elephant ate last in dinner. Kids, we learned about breakfast, lunch, and dinner today. Morning meal is called breakfast. Afternoon meal is called lunch. Night meal is called dinner. Thank you, kids. See you in next episode. Bye. Goldie, help me! Help me! Hang on, I am coming! We can do this together. Someone help me! Someone calling for help? Yes, I can hear a yelp. Help me! It's Fluffy, the rabbit! Let's go!
Hold on, Fluffy. We are coming.
Help me! Let's go there! Thank you for saving me. You are welcome, dear. Dear kids, we can solve any problem with courage. And with friends! I love this fresh air. Oh, look at this! We should clean ourselves daily. This was my style of bath. Let's go to Goldie now. I love this fresh air. Goldie, where are you? Who did this? Goldie, who did this? Too bad. We all should learn the importance of cleanliness.
Let's start cleaning.
We should keep our surroundings clean. See you all in our next episode. Bye! What is this? I am coming back? You defeated me. Now it's my turn.
Kids, to know more about monkeys, watch our episode number 1.
What's this? It's for the magical crystal. Wow! Let's go for it.
We have to cross Whispering Wood and Sunstone Desert to reach the magical cave.
Let's cross the Whispering Woods, Young.
We have to cross Whispering Wood
The
and
desert
Sunstone
stone.
Desert to reach the magical cave.
What should we do now?
Oh, we got you now. You defeated me last time. Now it's my turn.
Oh, it's the monkey the guardian.
Answer my 3 difficult questions and get your freedom. We are ready. Then let's start. What comes after cat dog, cat dog? That's a pattern question.
Let's think together.
Cat to dog to cat to dog to
Cat! Yeah.
You are right. Now, get ready for my second question. If you have 2 apples, and I give you 1 more, how many total apples you have now?
I have 2 apples.
I give you 1 more. Then I have 2 plus 1 equals to 3 apples. Yeah. You are right! Now get ready for the third one. Answer me. Which one doesn't belong? Shoe, socks, banana, slipper?
This one is tricky. Let's think together. Shoes, socks, and slippers we wear. Yes, we can't wear banana.
It's banana! Yeah. Try! You deafened me again! You are free now.
We'll meet you soon for another task.
Kids, with a cool and open mind, we can solve any problem.
See you soon in our next episode. Subscribe now for notification. Bye!
I will finish you all. What a lovely jungle!
Gigloo, come here. Oh, what is this?
The water is turning black. Let's check out.
I will make this my place.
Not so fast. Who are you?
Oh my god, it is a big snake.
I am Springy the Snake. I will now live here.
Your venom is killing animals. You can't live here.
Solve my 3 riddles and I will go.
We are ready.
What has 4 wheels and say B-B-O?
I think I know this. It is related to humans. Yes, it's a car.
Correct answer. I am impressed. Now solve my second riddle.
I come after 1 and before 3. What number am I?
Comes after 1 and before 3. It's 2. 2. Yeah.
Correct answer. Now get ready for the final question.
I am full of pages and tell stories. What am I?
Hey, pages? Stories? Let's think together. It's full! Yay!
Correct answer. I am happy. I will give a special gift to you now.
Tiger, the red ring will give you immense strength whenever you say the magical word power. Deer, the blue ring will give you wings whenever you say the magical word fly. Now, as promised, I go now.
Thank you!